Good morning, students. We are on chapter number 3, formation of adjectives. So let's start. Formation of adjectives. First, let's have a quick look on the definition of adjective, then learn how they are formed. Adjectives means added to. Adjectives are words that describe or modify a noun or pronoun. For example, the teacher asked a difficult question. Now, adjectives you have already learned in your previous class also. So it's very easy to understand that adjectives are words that describe or modify a noun. Now here in this example, you can see that the teacher asked a difficult question. So what kind of question? Difficult. So here difficult is adjective which is qualifying the noun question. Now some easy ways to identify adjective. So I will explain you with the help of some examples. The teacher asked a difficult question. Now it answers the question what kind of. When we put the question like this, what kind of question? So you will get the answer that difficult question. So difficult is an adjective. Then the second example, 5 passengers got into the bus. Now if we ask the question how many passengers got into the bus, so we'll get 5. So 5 is adjective here. We need some water. Now again we will ask the question that how much water? Some water. So you can see that how we can easily find out adjective in our sentence by putting these questions. Now formation of adjectives. Sometimes it comes in our mind that how does beauty converts to beautiful, where beauty is the noun and beautiful is adjective. Now let's see how adjectives are formed. Adjectives can be formed from nouns or verbs by adding a suffix. Now the next is, what is suffix then? A suffix is a letter or group of letters, for example ly or NESS, which is added to the end of a word in order to form a different word. For example, the suffix ly is added to quick to form quickly. So I think it's clear that we can form adjectives by adding suffix at the end of the word. So today we are going to learn how to form adjectives in different ways. First, we'll see the formation of adjectives from nouns. So here you have to add the suffix full at the end of the word. Like you have the noun also and in front of it adjective. So see the nouns that beauty. So when you will add full to that beauty, that will change, that will convert into the adjective beautiful. Skill, skillful. Wonder, wonderful. Delight, delightful. So remember that when you will add full, so you can change noun into adjective. Now see the next suffix EOUS, IOUS and OUS. So when the noun is danger, you will add suffix and the word will convert into dangerous. Poison, poisonous. Mystery, mysterious. Nerve, nervous. Here you can see that I is omitted and IOUS suffix is added. Now here are some more suffix like ish. So when you will add ish to the child, it will convert into childish. Then red, reddish. Style, stylish. Self, selfish. In the same way, you can add the suffix al and ial. So music will change to musical by adding suffix ial. In the same way, industry, industrial. Comedy, comical. Norm, normal. Now, here are some more suffix which will help you to convert noun into adjective. So, you can also use suffix like les to the noun that will convert into adjective, like shame, shameless, noise, noiseless, flavor, flavorless, life, lifeless. Again, then you can add y also to the noun to change into the adjective, like chill, chilly, filth, filthy, mist, misty, greed, greedy. Then the suffix ly when is added to the noun, like love, lovely, home, homely, day, daily, coward, cowardly. Then add the suffix ical and ic, like alphabet, alphabetical. Then politics, political, hero, heroic, class, classic. So it's not that you can add any suffix to the noun and you can convert into adjective. You have to remember this, that which suffix will be added to which noun, so it will be converted into adjective. Now students, here remember something. We have seen that when we add ly to the verb, then it works as an adverb, like fast, fastly. So here you have to remember that some adjectives that ends with ly may function as adverbs too. For example, it will be clear with this example. This is the monthly edition of the magazine. Now you can see that monthly, your monthly functions as an adjective. Here monthly is modifying the noun edition. Edition is the noun here. So when it is monthly, here is functioning as an adjective, it is modifying noun. Whereas, see the another sentence, I pay monthly to my service providers. Now here you can see that monthly is functioning as an adverb, not an adjective. Why? Because here it is modifying the verb pay. Here there is no noun. So in this way you can identify that where ly words is functioning as adverb, where it is functioning as adjectives. You can identify it, that whether it is modifying noun or verb. So we have seen that how adjectives are formed from noun. Now we learn how adjectives are formed from verbs. So when you will add suffix ive to the verb, it will function as adjective. Like sense is the verb, attract is the verb, express. So when you will add ive to these verbs, it will work as adjective, like sense, sensitive, attract, attractive, express, expressive. Now the another suffix ant and ent, like please, pleasant, ignore, ignorant, excel, excellent, differ, different. So I hope that now it is easy to form adjectives from the verb also. Here you have seen that differ is the verb and different is adjective. Then what about difference? Let's see. Different is an adjective, while difference is a noun. Let's understand with the example. You and I are different in many ways. Now here the word different is used to describe the characteristics of two people, that is you and I, you and me. So the word difference is a noun, whereas differ is a word and different is an adjective. Don't get confused. Sometimes it comes in our mind then that we can change differ into difference also adjective. So no, it's wrong. When the verb differ is there and then you have to convert it into adjective, you will add ent suffix, so it will be different. And difference is not an adjective, difference is a noun. Remember this. Now let's look at the sentences which uses an adjective form from a noun and verb. The first sentence, she adopted a dog without a home. Now here home is noun. Now she adopted a homeless dog. Now here you can see that suffix less is added at the end of this word home. So now it is converted into adjective, and here you can see that the how adjective is used, homeless, and here it is functioning as adjective where it is qualifying the noun dog. In the same way you can see that it looks like it will rain today. Now it looks like it will rain today. Rain here is functioning as a verb. So how it is converted into adjective? By adding y. It looks like we'll have rainy weather today. Now here is this question from your textbook in which you have to fill the adjectives form of the noun in bracket. It means that the noun forms are given in the bracket and you have to convert into adjective. You have to use it as an adjective and you have to remember the suffixes that you have learned. That what are the suffixes, how you can convert the noun into the adjectives. So you have to remember, don't add any suffix to this noun so that you will think that it will convert it into the adjective. No, it should be proper. See the first sentence, the ship dropped anchor at a dash island. Now the noun is given here rock. Now which suffix you will add so that it will change into adjective? The ship dropped anchor at a rocky island. Second one, the full moon presented a dash side. Now wonder, here it is given. Now I will change wonder, wonderful. The full moon presented a wonderful sight. So in the same way you have to do the remaining sentences of this exercise. Now the another question is B exercise, in which you have to convert a verb into adjective forms. Question is fill in the blanks using the adjectives form of the verbs in brackets. My mother is quite dash in her way of laying the table. Now the verb is given there, create. So you have to now remember that which suffix you will add so it will function as an adjective. Create, creative. See the next one, the dash little boy was irritating everyone. Now the verb is given there, talk. Now the adjective form of talk will be talkative. The talkative little boy was irritating everyone. So dear students, in this video you have learned the formation of adjectives. In our next video we'll read about degrees of adjectives and forming the comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives. Also exercise A and B of this chapter you can do in the book itself. Some students are confused about their copy work. See, as you have done in your in the last year, in the same manner you have to do. this year also. Don't get confused. Questions based on underline, fill in the blanks you can do in the book itself. And questions of rewrite do in your grammar copy. Thank you. Take care.